Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the programming languages that are unlikely to be replaced by AI anytime soon. As AI continues to evolve, there are certain programming languages that hold a unique place due to their versatility, community support, and specialized applications. Let's jump right into our list of the top 10 programming languages that AI can't easily replace. 10. C++. Kicking off our list is C++, a powerhouse when it comes to system programming, game development, and high-performance applications. Its low-level control and efficiency make it a crucial language for scenarios where performance optimization is paramount. 9. Rust. Rust has gained attention for its focus on memory safety without sacrificing performance. Its unique ownership system makes it a solid choice for systems programming and other safety-critical applications. 8. SQL. Structured query language. Databases are the backbone of modern applications, and SQL remains indispensable for managing and querying vast amounts of data efficiently. As long as we need to interact with data, SQL's role remains secure. 7. JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web, making it essential for front-end and back-end web development. Its versatility, large ecosystem, and constant evolution ensure its relevance in the AI-driven world. 6. Python. Python's simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries have made it a favorite for various domains, from web development to data science. Its role as a go-to language for AI and machine learning applications solidifies its position. 5. Java. Java's "write once, run anywhere" philosophy, along with its use in Android app development, ensures its continued importance. Its performance, reliability, and vast community support contribute to its staying power. 4. C#. C#. C# is integral to Windows application development, game development using Unity, and various enterprise solutions. Its connection to these specialized areas maintains its relevance. 3. Swift. Swift's significance lies in its use for developing applications across the Apple ecosystem. As long as iPhones, iPads, and Macs are prevalent, Swift will remain a vital language. 2. Go. Golang. Go's efficiency in concurrent programming and its growing prominence in cloud-native development make it highly relevant in the evolving tech landscape. 1. C. Topping our list is the venerable C programming language. C's influence on modern languages, its use in operating systems and embedded systems, and its unmatched performance make it incredibly hard to replace. Conclusion. While AI is rapidly advancing and automating many tasks, these programming languages hold their ground due to their specialized applications, performance advantages, and the foundational role they play in the tech ecosystem. As we embrace AI-driven innovations, let's not forget the programming languages that continue to be the backbone of our digital world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech discussions. Until next time, happy coding!